ชื่อกูตัวเป้หาก็หูลือตัวเช็ดลา
นู่นกูสั่งเจ้าเป้ละมุกะว่างจุดสุโลโอเคจังนู่นกูมั่วจะมุ่งตัวเป้ชกตลาชิกาโอเคญาติหุ่นเป็นดาฟิลิปส์ก็ไม่ฮะเป้แต่จะอีเจ้าตู้เคยยิงอีเจ้ายังเคยยืดสู่จังนู่นนั่นกูมั่วตีลุนจันโลตา give us a string not the string not just string a string e toujours giờ này nó bé yo sáng tạo toujours đã cái số cái bé thọ nó bé yo ô lê chăng giờ mấy cháu cứ mua vàng chút số lú cô sáng cháu bé là mong sai ok nhớ trong bên đó Philip nó bên đó Philip là chuyện Philippians 4th chapter bé yo nhận cái chi một trong cái sang ong gai ngon gạo xí hay là nó hả ta let your gentleness be evidence to all. The Lord is near. Do not be anxious about anything, but in everything by prayer and petitions. With thanksgiving, present your requests to God, and the peace of God, which is transcendent all understanding, will guard your heart and your mind in Jesus Christ. เป้ทอมันชัวเกลิงซีนู่นเป้ทอก็ละมงซีจูชาซีจูเกนเจงซีตุลังตุจูโตเป้จูเกคือเป้ละมงจูเกนแต่ก็ลสุนละเป้ตุคือจองฮะโมก็ซีจูจูปุโตเป้เป้ตุคือใช้หังแคก็ปูจอปูหมอโตเป้นอปูเล่โตเป้เฮาเป้ตุคือเอาลุนดังยังจิโมขจาชูเป้ทอก็ปุขจะชูปุโตเป้ยเลนอนนเป้มกสุลูลมกโอเคเป้สเลทอก็ตุนจุปลีลูโอตุจูโตเป้ขอชื่อเส้นทอก็ปุตุตลังตุจูโตเนียาวก็ยังมเป็นสิมก็สุลูโนโตเป้ก็เราเลยก็ตุนจุปลีจ้าดูโตเป้ญาตุนโนสเลไตทอโมสุลูก็เป้ชกตเลยบางก็โอเคโนจอดนก็ได้เจสุลเบกจงAmen. Jean long de no, yo tao rong mà cô sáng cho biết long mua tăng cho the scenario cứ Ajahn Polo sau trang đạo mong cho tôi nên Philippines là sự chọn chơi nhau cho tỷ lũ có Philippines sai as a whole on đây nhau cho hồ bên đó Philippines nó mà nếu chỉ muốn đào lên một bao trong gạo xí Ajahn Polo sau trong đó nó một chỗ cho tôi nên Philippines trên tàu ta thao cứ nửa trâu bố mua nửa phong bang yo trâu xì cho nửa thao cứ nhau cho tỷ Ephesus mà lúc chơi lúc nhung thì nó thao cứ nửa trâu bố mua nửa là tháp lâu cho nửa chú cái chợ nửa chú cái trâu mua rượu cho nửa ở trên Polo sẽ lấy sau trong đó nó một tiền cho tôi nên Philippines bao giờ bao nhiêu rong gọi là những khó situation, bây giờ rằng nó thì tất cả mọi chỗ sớm mai trao chào AD cứ bao nhiêu nhiều chỉ trang bằng chân chắc chắc, bây giờ là tao số rong này nó, lúc chơi lúc nhung cứ cho tôi nên cứ chân mong ốt lệ ôn nụ là sự open up mọi chỗ thì Roman Empire, lúc tây chờ cứ lúc có Philippines nó, phải tao chọn chân lo mong sĩ ok rong gọi là thầu bé nhà nhiều tổ chức America bé tôi mong sĩ ok ở Ipan giờ lên đó lúc chơi lúc nhung đó cho tôi nên lom là sĩ nọ chứ lom chỉnh chỉ tao pu cho tôi nên chỉnh vang chứ nó lo mong mua bình sự hậu bé vang chứ lại cứ mấy hả bé lão lệ lu sa nhà lão lệ chú kế sang yếu chú kế pressure sẽ là tao ô tô cho tôi nên chỉnh nhớ tôi lúc có Philippines là nó mua chú kế cháu chú kế mua Ajahn Polo sẽ lấy sau trang đó nó ít khó bỏ tao plau chapter sư mong trôi cho tôi nên Philippines luôn ra luôn chỉnh chênh thọ cứ biết cho ham mùa Ajahn Polo mua cho là mùa luôn ra luôn khá trôi cho tôi nên Philippines chân chỉnh này nó ổn định trong plan อยู่คนจงเนอะฮัตตาเม่ represent จังจี mẹ tổ Chúa Giêsu lúc công bề mẹ giờ cho cường tranh Chúa Giêsu giờ là nó cha mẹ chú cái mò ô tu tì khâu cho bố số linh số tu cha vang chữ lu nhỏ chú cho mẹ là sẽ nhỏ sẽ mẹ chỉ sao sau sinh chú ý yang lang chỉ tam cho ta chỉ cho trang cho yang cái mẹ ôn đã ô chữ đã chú cái tay thọ ô chú cái thọ rồi nó vang chữ luôn đã chú cái ô vang chữ trong ha mô mẹ chú cái sang yo sang tao đó cho cho vang chữ ha vang chữ chú cái thằng yang sinh yên yo mô số trang số yang mẹ sau ha nhau sa xuống đó long lom ô yang tao tao vang chữ yên yo lom mong cho căng cho mẹ lu sa mẹ lu chỉ lang để plan plan nhau chủ Jesus Christ luôn bề what a wonderful encouragement that a fellow Christian can give it to. Cú sáng ta thao con Jesus cái của con chúa con Jesus cái chỉ cho thao cái con chỉ bảo ta cái yêu ốt lăng chi. This probably the best advice a fellow Christian can give it to one another. Cú chỉ bảo mẹ thì chỉ thao cái cú mua chú cái nhau san chú bla thao cái cú sao han trai cú yên chỉ bảo ta mua được tu lên là. Cho họ chú kế sau han trai là mong tổ cú chú kế cú bù kế cú chú kế sau han trai là mong ô tô cú chính ô tô cú yên chỉ sang chú lưu yang là I need somebody like Paul to remind me that there is a greater thing than the anxiety that was attacking me right now. There is some greater thing that we can petition to furnish us with the request we make. Giờ mẹ mua chú kế nhau san chú plau mẹ mua plau mua du mua sai mua lu mẹ sáng tàu chú kế thằng yang sinh yên chỉ mua lên nữa tụi tôi này trong này nó mà yên chỉ bự yên chỉ cho ru nó mỏ yên chỉ căng tàu kế yên chỉ giang chẳng lúc phải sọ nửa lang nửa lúc tên là lò yên chỉ bao rồi họ chú kế nhau san chú plau nhớ đủอาจารย์โปโลใส่เลยลมงเตือนตาổn định trong bờ có được các món chơi có tụ kinh, hạt ta có những thứ, cho họ chỉ số một số cái lúa số lúa một chỗ có là chỉ số một số cái mò nhớ chỗ có. Check yourself if there's God's presence still in you. Cái thế này chẳng số là giờ vang chữ hủ bê lúa mông, vang chữ chữ bê nho, chỉ muốn người làm chữ bê số cái bê lúa mông chỉ vang chữ làเลยอาจารย์โปโลสตาอย่าเลยเนาะchú kế cứ chia số tổ sau tụi nó có lì chú muốn nông cái lăng chỉ tam đó lấy giờ có là một cái vang chữ chú muốn chú kế lùng bì có lúc sao lúc chạy cứ có trò mùa có sáng tàu tối nay lục băng có tụt lăng tụt ru băng có lúc chú gì lăng liệp lăng bờ giờ lúc chạy lúc nhông cứ có một chú kế sợ chú kế nhổ sa chú kế chỉ dùng chú chỉ nhận đồ có lúc này thâu nó biết sang lùng một nông hà lên nó hà ta vang chữ có nhau họ từ có chỉ bảo ta cú mua chú cái mò I am hurt I am dismayed I am uncertain I am alone I need somebody to understand this feeling phiền tao tụi tôi này cái sáng tao chú cái băng chùa mà này là một nông lên nó lùm lo ta lôi bẹtพันประกันมืดมัวอีพวกชายอย่างnhau là có luôn này chọn đượcคนดีgiờ có mua Chúa Giêsu nhau được có là this what you're gonna look at in a different perspective. Ketika kamu cakap tu kita, God is present within me because I'm carry the name of Christ as a Christian. Jean nói là cái yêu cầu tiên mong ta. I know God know how I feel. God know how I hurt. God know how I dismay. God know how I am uncertainty. God knows that I am alone because Christ went through all of those uncertainty in life. Lulu no nalo ajan polo selemo lulu sasha monto chato neng Philippines ta onde champla có yêu chủ tì ta các lomo có tu khen nó lomo o tu to neng cứ mo lu sha mo nữa. Cú sáng ta su kế cứ ajan polo lomo chao chato neng Philippines Tụt lang toujours nó start from the very basic. Thao cứ có nhô san sụp lỡ, thao cứ có bù hoa ta có ôn nào tôi nên chỉ chỉnh chỉnh, hoa ta tết lệ thì nó cứ có ôn đấy chỉ tá chỉ chỉnh. Giờ cho tôi nên tham ăn đà chỉ bảo vang chữ mà tôi nè, giờ hà lên nó rồi cả ta. Ta có ở chỉ tao có này tôi nên chùa nè, ta có chỉ tao có mua rong lên nó nè, ta có ở chỉ tao mà ya con chơi vang chữ nè. Paul know it so well. Paul put you back in the center of your faith. Hata you need to go back in the presence of God. Giờ có mua vang chữ luôn nhon to the center of your life. God became the love of your life. Giờ lên nó có thể là mua bình sự đi tao cho các lo mua Chúa Giêsu luôn nên cứ Chúa Giêsu bi ô mua chú cái nhô san chú plá trâu luôn chú luôn gió trâu lo chỉ gió trâu lo hè lo đào lo chúa lo to sau tụi nó có li lo mua com basic focus cho có ha cú có sẽ là mua bình sự đi cho các lo ô cho các luôn nên có mua dùng gì một cái gì đó giờ bên mua luôn nên Christian throughout the Bible as a focus. I can give you 100 examples how to encourage a fellow Christian to get our strength. Toujours que moi no chỉ tông cả năng đạo là nè. You just need a drop of that string to initiate the life that you have and it moving on. That string carry you through the process of your life.อาจารย์โปโลป้อเลยโนโลอาจารย์โปโลสเลป้อแต่จอนเจงย้อนตัวลูกกอล์ฟฟิลิปปินส์ต้องการ just not a lot of string one drop of strings กูเกิดเลยเนาะถ้ากูก็จังการละลายเนาะแต่ก็จะมาโซนตัวชิมัวจูละ then you need a strain of vitamin B กูสร้างก็จะ neuron เดมงตรูก็จะ system แต่ก็จะเส้นประสาทเกิดละลายเดสเลชิมัวก็สเลมัวจูI think Paul probably know all of this medicine stuff. Good, you need a drop of vitamin to carry through a drop of string. Sang mong to cho tôi nên Philippines. Giờ lên nó bé phụ tao hà lên nó ta Philip na. Chúa Giêsu hà nhớ trong bên đó Gioan trong cột long. Du Chúa Giêsu ok, du Chúa Giêsu pun, du Chúa Giêsu no, no Chúa Giêsu zu lu le. Nếu su cái lu mong chơi mang chúng ta yên bang ta, nó cứ nếu chỉ mua su sa là thế, yếu mong du vang chú nhó. Mình yêu tao Chúa Giêsu ha, nhớ trong bên đó Gioan trong cột long yo, Chúa Giêsu ta cúi ya su cái. Phillips say how a human being can be the way to the house. Philip le mong nong Chúa Giêsu zu cái cứ mong tu lu chế cứ vang chú mang nó bé. Chúa Giêsu don't say much. Look at me. I am the way. I am the center of all. I am the life. I am the truth. That's what Paul know about Christ. Thomas ตัวอย่าง Thomas ยิ่งดูChúa Giêsu นอหมอดูChúa Giêsu ตัวอย่างก็เลยฮะแต่สิพวกเรามองหาตาChúa Giêsu เช้าเขาตัวจากนั้นเรามองแล้ว Thomas ตายอกูยิ่งจิตต่อสู้ตัวนี้เป็นจิกาตัวเนื้อช่างต่างเราชินตัวใส่เตนกูยิ่งจริงๆแต่เนื้อเช้าเขาตัวจากนั้นลูกเป็นตัว the same thing Peter's the champion of all faiths Chúa Giêsu ตัวยิ่งหาตัวเนื้อละฮะตาวันเด็กก้ากลัวมันก็ย่อจิเลงป้อกูเป้จาเนอะ he totally forgot ไปตัวนี้น้อง they are hit the bottom they are in need of our strength not a lot our strength พวกเป็นน้อง able to feel the presence of God or to overcome Judas Iscariot is way off there is a presence of God in him he sold his God for 30 pieces of silver and he never see him again he probably in hell after that what you can do is turn your life around the Lord is near ไม่พูดจริงแต่ว่าชื่อย่อเฉยๆไม่จงเล่นเราถูกจงเล่นคือกูห้าแต่เขาคือก็ถอว่างชื่อว่างชื่อจงเล่นว่างชื่อจีน้องจงเล่นว่างชื่อจีเหล่าจงเล่นว่างชื่อผู้จงเล่นคือเบเกอร์คือเจ้าถือตีห้าชอบว่างชื่อย่อว่างชื่อเขาถือละ God always near you อย่าไม่มัวมิญโยละมันไม่สเลปเป้าเป้อยากจะมิญโยมาเป้จีขวนเจลูชอบเป้ยมองกังเต้เก่าเต้เป้ยมองคือหลังฟังต้องฟังเขาถือเรากังลาเป้จีเคสเป้หนาเป้สีแต่ฉันก็ยังเล่นหนาเล่นสีเลยมาก็ always want to be near by your children. Tôi có sợ, tôi có bảo ta có mình nhiều weak. Vâng chú bảo bị rong lên đó. Vâng chú bảo ta we are weak. Vâng chú always check on us. Giờ có cho ham mua có chú bảo yêu lấy chăng, anh Polo ta. Có sao nhiều sát chú có chú kế tòn đấy, có chỉ sao nhiều sát chú có lúc này yang tăng lu có chỉ sao nhiều sát nó chỉ ta chỉ có yêu chú feel the presence of God. No, có chú kế nhiều sát yêu trang chỉ. What's your anxiety today? In the 60 AD cho tới này cứ chạy nhớ từ Philippines chạy chẳng bố chỉ tao họ chơi hợp với vang chứ chạy chẳng cho tới này lồng chảo bố một tổ bó chơi rồi họ chú kế cái bốn chơi vang chứ chạy chẳng bố chỉ một lệ chỉ một nụ a lot of things in common with us. Bây giờ lãnh đạo tụ họ cứ be more advantage than the Philippines is that we are guaranteed by the Bill of Rights that we can be able to assemble together and worship whatever we want. That was not provided to the Philippines. Giờ này cho tôi này Philippines sẽต้องการสุเกทางยังซิงนั่นนู่นไม่ฮับเป้ยังไม่ฮับเป้จิโมสุเกทางยังซิงไม่ฮับเป้จิสังตัวมองฮับเป้บ้างชูอย่ารู้แต่จะไม่การโนจิโมสุเกทางยังซิงยังจริงการันตีไม่ฮับเป้มัวสุใจก็ยังละมองกงโอเคฮับเป้บ้างชูบ้างชูเป้าฮัตตาก็วันนี้ก็ยังโคตรบ้างชูก็ยังจูโมสุเกทางยังซิงกันดูก็อาจารย์โปโล gave them that instruction. Do not worry. Do not be anxious. อย่าอีตัวนึงหาเลยโน้ตัวเราก็กูจะนอนสิญญาถือหาซื้อก็มุสุเกยโยชันสุปลาลังเชมาสิเนี่ยถือแต่จีสังโยชันเนี่ยเป็นธรรมะชุดก็ Is that wonderful when somebody comfort you with do not be anxious? That's what Paul did. That's what our great ancestor minister did. Do not worry. God is near. God know all of that. God can provide you with peace. ก็โยเลยจังก็เสร็จเป้าแต่ก็ยมั่วสุเกทายยังเซ็งถูกก็อาจารย์โปโลจ่อต้นในฟิลิปปินส์โมโตนเดอะโฟกัสพอยต์แต่โอเลก็สุเกนเจว่าชื่อมั่วดอมบริจังยาก็มั่วสุเกมั่วสุเกนเก่งก็มั่วสุเกโยชันสุปลาก็มั่วสุเกเจ้าเปล่าเจ้าลูมันก็ยังมั่วสุเกโยชันนะเจ้าเล่นเตเลยนะนอมหมอยังจีกังหอดเล่ยังจีงเกปูยังจีจอรูก็ยังไม่อีจูแต่ฉันยังไม่อีจูเกลเลยตัวขอก็มุสุเกยโยชันสุปลาแต่ชีวิตมุจเยซูสุเกคือเยซูมัวเป็นสื่อ focus on whatever that he encountered to ปอยเชเยซู that's fine นี่จิเตปอิลูลู he found peace within himself ปอสมปลันดาวเยซูยิ่งเป้าแต่ this is the will of my father that does not bother him he keeps the whip him with peaceพวกมันอยู่คนเอาหนึ่งตุนตรงไม่กังแขนจะมองกลายในตัวเก่งแล้ว he doing it without any argument we can see the peace within Jesus Christ เย็นโน่กูจะป้าไม่เลยตัวแต่ชี everywhere I go when I see the cross I found peace in the cross I let go all my anxiety I let go all the trouble things that happen in my life regardless financial situation, regarding marital situation, regarding job situation, I know that I can find peace in Christ. อย่าเป็นโมเป็นสื่อลุมัวจุเยซูสุเกโนโนแต่เป็นถาเตาสุเกทางยังเซ็งอย่างนั้น That's the moment that you and I need to coming together. อาจารย์โปโลฮะตาโอว่างจุเจ้า by prayer and petition with thanksgiving. I demand a lot from God. Anything go wrong, I blame God for it. The more my life go wrong, the more I thank God for it. อยากก็รู้เนี่ยก็ยินจีสุเกยโยชันสุปลาโอโตก็สุเกนเจยิลุลุไปใช้ตัวกลางยังไม่ปูตุดหลังมาไม่ปูลูกใจลูกยองคือโม่โจดหลังโจดลู่เราสิโจดลู่มาหลังมาเยเล็กยังตัวมองเลยอ่ะหอตัวก็ยังจีโม่ยังขอโจนมาก็ยังจีปูหลังยังอะไรเนี่ยจุกินเจงอยู่นะ The more you encounter with the trouble, the stronger your faith is. เฮ้ยก็รู้นี่ก่อนฉันใช้เจ้าเต้เมงก็รู้นี่ก่อนฉันใช้เจ้าสุเกมอก็รู้นี่ก่อนฉันใช้เจ้าโลเชโลหาก็ you are a baby. You never grow in your faith. Giờ lên nó số ra cho tôi nên cứ to văn phát mà giờ cho cứ to một thọ vang chú cho tên mình. Ô đồ có bớt số cái lu, có bớt số cái chân lu, ô đồ bớt số cái chân nó mua bên số ô đồ bớt tí tao đồ số cái mò cứ bốn chi cho tên mình cứ bớt trọ. Almost 100% that I feel like that so tôi nên cứ to văn phát. Very few people come in here with thanksgiving. Kulu nên kulu muốn chơi mà chú là cô sẽ lấy phụ tao ta. If I can validate myself, kulu nên it's a zero. Thao cú yêu lu cú in chỉ bao ta cú mua cứ mua ti mua cao mua ít cho gì xin giờ mua ít cho bu nhang gì quý chỉ bao ta cú mua ít cho phong cho dư. And I was blessed with all of these things in my life, coming from zero and add one another. So my connection has been multiplied. Isn't that another view that Paul want his fellow Christians to see? No, you have more than one that care about you. Your brother, your sister, your parent, your friend, on and on. You are more than zero. So you should be thankful for whatever that God give it and provide to you. Khó, dồn dĩ bế bù tao lên nó ta. Giờ bế bù tao vang chú chú công chú mong cứ vang chú mua cho bế lên nó để bế mua chú kế thay nhá sinh. Tại vì có mong focus rồi nhà nào cứ có mua nữa trong nó, then you will blame God ta vang chú why you take this person away from me or why you take this thing away from me. Cú chỉ bảo lời tôi thì cú lên mà để tháo cứ có mong nhầm bàn rồi có cái cô ta là chỉ có mong lăng chi rồi có cái cô ta có ô chỉ tao là cũ là mà có ta why this thing happened to me. Though Shalom and Christian is the same thing. One thing wrong with me and I blame God. Why you let this thing happen to me? Pe mo Philip lu nên nó pe mo chọn đạo cứ vang chữ sao Ajahn Paulo sao mo rồi cho tôi nên Philippines lu nên nó cho là một sai là it's nothing like that. The dose of strength simply bao ta vang chữ able to provide for you regardless whatever you are facing. Nên sẽ là hàng cái sang ta and peace of God which transcend all understanding will guard your heart and your mind in Jesus Christ. Thao cứ có mua chú kế thang yên nhang sinh mà có sáng hùng cao cho cứ giờ lụt ra lo sáng hà lụt ra cho cứ giờ lâm vùng là bố sáng phun lâm vùng. Được họ they found the true peace from God. Giờ đây nó có sáng tạo chú kế thang yên nhang sinh nó có yêu chủ bảo ta God is your provision. Vang chữ mua bình sự băng tàu có số trang số dạng. Bên đó Philip trong cổ bên cái này cổ bên sẽ là hai lần ta the grace of the Lord Jesus Christ be with your spirit. Vang chữ số cái lu cứ mua chữ sĩ luôn đó Chúa Giêsu đó na sẽ là chữ sĩ lu cho các tuần chủ tu tao. Bên trong linh đạo tu ya bên sáng số chuyện gạt lại tới sáng số physical material thing that you have. We will never find peace in God. The Shikapautan God always will provide for you. Then you know that the grace of the Lord in Jesus Christ will be in your spirit. Ajahn Paulo sẽ lấy bao control nơi tu king. Hata while I am waiting for a trial, my fellow worker also waiting for a trial in Philippi. Ajahn Paulo sẽ lấy give the dose of strength by encouragement. Ajahn Paulo pawata when I cannot be there, God always will be there. Cứ tin này chẳng cho cột lời ya pe mua pe lu nên sang le Ajahn Paulo sang mong trô pe cho phong cho dư le Ajahn Paulo sang mong trô cho tôi nên trên Philippi. Mình sang tôi chưa số nú nữa. Mình sang tôi chưa quan chữ số mò nữa. Giờ vì chẳng có xa lên đó. Tôi học biết số linh số tu nó, bên chỉ số cái tên mình biết số linh số tu nó một số cái nhiều sản số lại một số cái số cái tên mình như thế luôn này. Giờ mình muốn vang chủ nhân của mình là you able to see that mình tu phong tu you chỉ muốn cho con chọn đó need your support. It does not need you to say much. Thế giờ là cứ xin nhật trừ ha. Don't worry, I pray for you. That's all. The dose of strength is. This is what exactly Paul said. Cú tôi cũng chỉ tao mê, cú tôi bằng chỉ tao mê. Tại sao yêu con trong lúc sa mò cứ ô tu tì khảo cho mê bao chú cho chẳng số dạng cứ mê yêu tu trên đó vang chú.อย่างที่แม่โอลันยุคนจงตาถอดตัวมั่งจื้อโอจอว่างจื้อแต่แม่ยังยงต่อต่อตัวอย่างคือชูชี有了么จอกังจอคือไม่รู้ชาจอกังจอคือไม่รู้จุยลังหลีพลังพลายย้อนตัวจุเยซูทอกูป้าเลยน้องละกุนจีเต้แม่จีหัดต่อหัวลือจีหัดตื่น the thing that brought me back to the focal points this is what I asked what Jesus want me to do in the situation. That's exactly Paul turned the people in Philippi, the Christian in Philippi, to rethink. And the peace of God, which is transcendence all understanding, will guard your heart and your mind. Mỗi Giêsu su kế a kế cứ Giêsu su kế cứ nữ chỉ tao ốt lăng chỉ bố là tên mình cho nữ chỉ tao cho chỉ tao thua lên từ chỉ tao ít khó kế cho kế chủ lăng chỉ bố mua nữ cho nữ tao mua nữ khi Giêsu hà cho bé ổn định là ta you carry my name they will do the same thing to you because they did it to me before that is not shocking for them to hate you for being a Christian. It's not shocking for you and I to get hurt. It's not shocking for you and I to be dismayed. It's not shocking for you and I to label uncertainty. Christ went through that. You come watch Jesus, lunay takan lamong o focal point, then you will find peace. To khó có cho tên mình cứ còn chi yên chỉ luôn bỏ lại cho cứ Jesus chi cho bao chân tu cứ có trao yên chỉ luôn bỏ lại cho bao chân tu cứ Jesus trao gan con nam mong tu suke plus suke to lo Jesus yên chính cha suke plus suke to to khó Jesus pu lên nó hata cú ô lên nó cú lên si guard my heart cú lên si guard my mind he overcome that to cứ Jesus yo mong trao bố chọc cao Jesus một tàu lưu vang cái sâm nê Jesus một thọ nít gì cho nên ta nếu có lúc có món khó làm ôn chăng là that painful cú chỉ bảo ta show physically how that can be possible nên chú kế cứ nên hurt đau một lần đó giờ này nó bên chỉ chú kế mò chú kế bố cho bố thọ bố hà bê chỉ chân kinh bê chỉ một tu mò tu chua tu cứ lưu bê he understand all. Take whatever you have, cast upon him. Your hurt, your dismay, your uncertainty, your loneliness, your burden of life, cast upon him. That's the beautiful about my Lord, Jesus Christ, who I believe. He is so lovable that whatever I dump upon him, he never say anything. Any trouble I have, he able to take care of the problem for me. And I can find peace and strength in him because he is able to provide the necessity for my Christian life. Thao sau cũng muốn bên đó lùm cho bé sai ok lỡ lẽ anh Paulo sau mong cho tôi nên lùm chung gì cái này gọi gì hay nó we know that in all things God work for good of those who love him who have been called according to his purpose. Cú mo khả năng cho mo ole cái mấy cái mo reverse tao căng nó mong cho tao học bao. Hata God called you and me for a purpose. God allowed the hurts, the dismay, the troublesome in your life for a purpose. God allowed someone you love depart from you for a purpose. It's not just happened for a purpose. Ya vile chang seleta for a purpose. Nota. We know that all things God work for good. Ya kalau mau mang cuci lu jalan mau share nong la kasih lepota ta yang ke cuci tu kalau neng ke kanji tang si no it's for a good cause. Ka tu lu tu chua jiu ka dong ka trao plau tròn tu ka trao sai trao lu ka tu cứ ka mo ha chua giải ka la for a purpose. Có bộ mô bệnh sử là một trà tàu vang chú bố đó có khó cửa ta dạng cứ chú sĩ đó con ta what is the purpose regardless what the purpose God want to happen to your life God promised that good thing will become out of all those things that happen in your life. Kusanta, this is the most beautiful thing that can be medicated as a strength in our Christian life. Paul and Ola were able to find a dose of strength through Paul that was delivered to the people, the Christian in Philippi.
Oh, God,